Hello guys, this is Coding with K, and in this video I'm going to show you the solution for a common problem that you might have, and this is as you can see here, the result of an API request. So it displays here this data that I get. I sent an API request to open-meteo.com, and this is what I got. So, but I want to use the data and pick, for example, the time zone or maybe the elevation. So how do I do that? And this is actually what I'm going to show you in this video, and I'm using Xcode. And I'm also, in case you use Safari and you want to change how this data here is displayed, and you want to change it to this format here, then I can recommend you the JSON formatter, which you can see here. I'm going to paste the link in the description of the video. So if I want to pick specific data from this data which is shown here, I'm going to show you how to do that within the Xcode app that I'm coding right now. And for that purpose, I created a function, which in this case is called parse JSON, which gets the data that you get back from the API request. And the first step that you need to do in order to convert the data is to create a decoder, which I did in this line here. And after that, you address to the decoder that he should decode and which data. This is the data that you get from the API request. And he also asks for the type of data. And in that case, here I have declared a new struct actually, which is here in the model group. And in order to get the data type, you have to type .self at the end of that. And after that, you can use the decoded data and just add at the end which name of data you want to get. So for example, we have, for example, here time zone that you want to get. You want to get this value here, GMT. So you just type decoded data and you just type time zone. So in that case, it doesn't give me any error, and this is actually because you have to do one step before that, or maybe also you can also do it afterwards. So usually you will get here an error, and then you have to go to weather data, which is here exactly this type, and here in this struct you have to declare the variable that you want to get. For example, this is here time zone, and you have to declare that in order to get that here at this point without any error. And you can do that with also other variables. For example, latitude, you can do that with latitude as well. And in this case, it should give me an error. So weather data has no member. So in this case, I have to go here and I have to create a new variable, which is called latitude. And in this case, it's a double. And then it should, the error message should go away, like in this case. And so yes, this is how you can get the data from a JSON file that you get from an API request. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers, guys.